center review from Arshiner. It's open and then you've got these two long attached bands here. So you're gonna tie those right here. So cute. So they have tons of colors. This is the white. It's not see-through. There is like a built-in slip here, so you don't have to worry about that. This is like really nice material. Again, this is a double layer, if not triple. It's hard to feel. At least 2 layers here. So again, no worries with anything being see-through. You can pull it down so it lays flat. You can have it higher so it like poofs. It's got almost a square neck going on here, and then if you turn around, again, it comes back to where you have it tied. The elastic goes to here, so the whole shoulder all the way around the front is elastic, really nice and stretchy. You could have it off the shoulder, but we like it up here, nice and secure on the shoulders. This, again, very, very stretchy, cinched in, comfy. Yes? Comfy. That elastic goes all the way across the waist, so you can have it kind of like up higher or down. And then you've got this cute little hem down here at the bottom. I love the material. It's very easy care, washer and dryer friendly. It is a twirl friendly skirt. We love this dress for a school dance, for a church event, party, you name it. So cute, lightweight, twirl friendly. We love this from Arshiner, and we know you will too.